In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image or text in Shopify without using any apps. This is a quick and easy method that helps make your store more interactive and user-friendly. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, go to Themes and click the three dots next to your active theme. Select Edit Code. Inside the code editor, use the search bar on the left and search for multi-column liquid. Click on the multi-column .liquid file to open it. Now open the pastebin link provided in your tutorial description and copy the code from the raw section. Go back to Shopify and paste the copied code into the multi-column liquid file. After pasting the code, click Save. Now return to the Themes page and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, select the image or text section you want to make clickable. You should now see a new link option in the settings panel. Click the link field and choose where you want the image or text to redirect visitors, such as a product collection page or blog post. Once you've added the link, click Save again. Now preview your Shopify store and test the image or text to make sure the link works properly. That's it. You've successfully added a clickable link to an image or text in Shopify without using any apps. Thanks for watching and happy selling.